Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country cottage interior decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country cottage interior decorating is a warm, cozy and inviting design style, inspired by traditional countryside homes. It combines natural materials, vintage charm, and comfortable furnishings to create a relaxed, lived-in atmosphere. Here are some practical tips for creating a beautiful country cottage interior. Use plastic wooden crates as decorative storage. Blend old and new pieces to give their home character. Focus on comfort, warmth, and timeless charm rather than perfection. Mix floral, striped, and gingham fabrics for a layered look. Choose brass or antique bronze cabinet hardware. Display handmade pottery on open shelves. Replace modern light fixtures with vintage-inspired pendant lights. Keep kitchen counters simple with only a few decorative items. Add a small bench in the entryway. Decorate with vintage candle holders and lanterns. Include oven trays to organize decorative accessories. Incorporate handmade crochet or knitted pillows. Create a calm, welcoming atmosphere by leaving plenty of open space and avoiding overcrowding with decorations. Create a focal point with a vintage fireplace mantle. Mix painted and natural wood furniture in the same room. Use soft floral wallpaper on one accent wall. Choose furniture with turned legs and classic detailing. Use ruffled or pleated beaded skirts for a cottage feel. Hang dried lavender, eucalyptus, or wildflowers as natural decor. Add a cozy reading lamp beside every favorite chair. Use vintage-inspired glass jars to store kitchen essentials. Decorate with old wooden ladders for blankets or towels. Layer different pillow sizes and textures on sofas. Choose natural linen bedding in soft neutral colors. Add bedboard panels to kitchen islands or cabinets. Incorporate handcrafted pottery for a personal touch. Choose matte finishes instead of glossy surfaces. Add a small writing desk with a classic wooden chair. Decorate with vintage-inspired wall sconces. Place a rustic trunk or wooden chest as a comfortable. Add a cozy breakfast nook with cushions and pillows. Choose warm-toned light bulbs for a softer glow. Display collections thoughtfully, leaving space between items. Let every room feel relaxed, welcoming, and connected to nature with natural textures and timeless pictures. Choose furniture with a gently aged or distressed finish. Mix vintage treasures with modern essentials for balance. Decorate with oven wicker trays on tables and countertops. Use soft, earthy colors inspired by nature. Place a wooden bench with cushions in the hallway. Display vintage animal pictures filled with fresh flowers. Layer table linens, placemats, and runners for texture. Use plastic checkered or gingham fabrics in the kitchen. Decorate windows with linen curtains that gently filter sunlight. Add a cozy armchair beside a bookshelf. Use reclaimed wood shelves to display decor. Decorate with old lanterns or hurricane candle holders. Choose handmade ceramic mugs and dishes for everyday use. Hang bottle botanical illustrations, or countryside paintings. Use oven storage baskets in every room. Include fresh herbs in the kitchen, such as rosemary or thyme. Use white or cream bedding with delicate embroidered details. Add soft cushions in floral, striped, and plaid patterns. Incorporate natural stone or terracotta accessories. Use slip-covered dining chairs for a relaxed cottage look. Keep countertops mostly clear to maintain a calm atmosphere. Refresh your decor with seasonal flowers, branches, or greenery. Focus on creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and comfortably lived in rather than perfectly matched. Layer different shades of white for a soft, elegant look. Add a farmhouse sink in the kitchen for classic cottage charm. Mix floral prints with subtle stripes for visual interest. Choose open pendant lights made from natural fibers. Keep shelves partially empty to create an airy feel. Hang a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light. Create a small coffee or tea station on a wooden tray. Use simple white dinnerware with rustic wooden serving pages. Thanks for watching the video.